I have a great idea of what we could put here. And before we make that happen, we need to go get some paint. Because I am really excited about what's gonna go there. Not yet, I guess. It's always something, ain't it? Water, come on. That was annoying. And battery died. They always die at the worst time. Am I right? You know I am. So these here, me and a couple friends made them a long time ago to put, metal on. Like that stuff. Actually used pieces of a 1926 Dodge Brothers bumper. Works pretty good. I don't know if I'm gonna want to keep these here. I'm just hoping they don't stick out too far and they're gonna be in the way of what I want to do right here. I guess we'll see. If we got to move them somewhere else, we got to move them somewhere else. I don't know where else we put it, unless we put it up higher, and then you got to lift up the metal. I don't want that. That's good. Yeah, that'll work. I'm gonna put all those up here for now, but they're gonna have to come down because I want to paint all this. I really should have just painted before I put them on there. Yeah. So I have 3 of these brackets that we made. I only put 2 up there, but I don't know. Kind of thinking maybe I should put the 3rd in the middle. Move, I don't feel comfortable with you under there yet. Gotta find the stud, but I'll feel much better about that, for sure. We got some paint, but we're gonna start with this Kills primer. Well, we got a coat of primer on there. We're gonna wait for that to dry and I'll put some paint on it. Would have went all the way, but can't get the ladder over here. While I'm waiting for that primer to dry, I've been kind of emptying these boxes of stuff and stacking it up over here. I don't want to get carried away putting things where I think they're gonna ultimately end up, because we still got to finish this wall behind me here. We're gonna have some shelves over here, across the top and all the way down here. We'll have some wall space to hang things, so I got a lot of crap. I think that's it. It's white. Sure does brighten it up in here. If you're asking why I didn't paint right here on this ledge, it's because I'm going to continue this look all the way around this corner. So that Model A side up there, I'm going to take that off of that shelf and I'm going to hang it over there. Just have that on the wall until I'm ready to work on that again. Because I need shelves and cabinets and things over there in the work area. Looks cool over there though, doesn't it? Oh well, I need it to be functional too. So that's gotta go. We're gonna move it. Well, that could have went a lot worse. Almost did. So I put another bracket under here just to kind of keep some weight off the top. But you know what? This is actually a pretty good spot for like a shallow shelf. So I might actually do that. Not today, but eventually. Put a shelf across there. And that thing will be sitting on the shelf, and then the brackets up top will just be holding it. I mean, I'd really like to get that thing back down here and start working on it sooner than later, actually, but there it is for now. And we have room for cabinets and shelves over here above the workbench, where we should probably have something like that, don't you think? Mm-hmm. And I know where to find the perfect cabinets. Just don't tell my wife. We got enough storage in here. Never mind the mess. This is one room we haven't touched yet. One of a few. So I did ask my wife if this was okay, and she didn't say no. She didn't say yes either. I'll make that hole in the cabinets down there look nice. It'll be all right. What? She's looking at me like, ooh, you're in trouble. So here's what I did. I left that shelf up there because that puts this cabinet at a perfect height. Yeah, I know it's kind of tall, but I won't put anything up there that, I need all the time. And the reason I need it that tall is because of my drill press. It's got to fit under the shelf. So I strategically and carefully pulled that shelf out from underneath the cabinet, and I put it on top. And then I took the other section of that shelf and I put it next to it. We are definitely getting somewhere here, guys. Got to get through this pile here. Get these 2x2s. This section up here, I'm gonna make just open shelves. I think I might put a solid side on it though. Yes, sir. Now I just used this angle iron here, cut it into 6-inch lengths here, drilling some holes in them, and screwing them to the wall in the closet. That gave me some nice shelf brackets. Brackets are like hidden, and what you can see is old and rusty, which is, you know, kind of my thing. Now I just got to paint them. They'll look real nice. Yeah, they'll look good. I'll eventually do trim along the bottom edge of this, just like I did on the side here. The reason I haven't yet is because that's all I had. That's all I had left over from the closet over there. I've said it before, I'm no carpenter, so I'm certainly no finished carpenter, but this looks way better than it did with that trimmer on there. And what would an old door in, I don't know, what would this be, kind of a service station? I don't know what this is. But what would an old door, an old entry door into that have on it? A bell. Ha! I love it. And this door is worn out right here in the corner like it's always been there. Anyway, so yeah, we got to get more of this trim. But for now, I'm just going to paint it with everything else. Well, I painted the bottoms of these shelves, but not the top. I was gonna flip them over and paint them on my, makeshift bench over there. But we only get so much time out here, and I was impatient and want to see them in here. So I put them in here, and now I'm painting the top. That makeshift workbench, it's wall paneling. Because I'm trying to finish this up here. Kind of looks like we got one too many. Yeah, there's like 2 over there, and this is all we got left. So what we have here is plenty to screw up. Yeah. Hey, this is gonna be a pain in the butt. We got electrical panel, conduit, outlet. I already took the thermostat down. We got lots of stuff to work around. We got a total area here of 64.5 by 42.5. Almost forgot again. Now I think I'll just measure from the closet to the electrical box, the outlet, you know, that stuff. And we'll draw it out on that piece, cut them out, and it'll just go right in. Easy peasy, right? Right. So this outlet and switch right here, I actually don't even want those there. That light switch is for that light, and I want to relocate that as well as adding other light switches over here. But the thing is unless I want to pull all those wires out, I can't just cover that up. I have to go around it, and if I want to get rid of them, I can just put a plate over it. But what the heck's the point? We'll put outlets back in there. This one though, that one just goes directly into the electrical box. 2 breakers, 1 for each. Number 1, overkill. But that's besides the point. What I'm saying is I don't want that there either. I want outlets there, but not up that high. I want them to be behind the radio. That way I can put the radio and everything I have in it. VHS player, DVD player, radio receiver, Bluetooth and stuff, video switcher. We have a Nintendo to go in there. Just this guy. Not like a real one. A Wii. Rambling again. So what I'm doing is killing power to this outlet so I can get the dang thing off the wall, and we'll put our paneling on, and I'll reinstall the box down there. So 2 things. What are the chances we cut this out right? And number 2, are we going to be able to kind of slide it up from underneath? Slide it under the conduit? That's what I'm hoping for. Give it a shot, I guess, right? So far, so good. A little tight over here, but that's good. Is it perfect? No, it is not. Is it good enough? Yes, it is. I'll be going around everything in here with 1/4 round and 1/2 round and getting all these corners trimmed out nice eventually. Hopefully sooner than later, because if I don't do it before we start working on, well, you know, what we want to work on, like that, it'll never get done. We don't got it yet, but we're getting it. We just don't got it yet. It is definitely getting cleaned up. We're definitely getting things where they belong. Just about to the point where we need to get that thing working so we can get back to work. All that wire ain't gonna be cheap. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing. Here's a whole playlist of how this garage transformation has been going. Or here's another one of things we normally do. See you next time.